Guys, I wanted to show you these 4x6 stained glass sheets that I received from the company. First of all, I just really want to show you how they came packaged. You could tell just right from opening it up, they're not broken and they're just packaged really well. So each one does have like a separate piece of foam so that they don't come cracked, which I think is like a common issue. I also wanted to show you it's a common issue with other types, just how pretty the colors are. They're just very like rich and deep and vibrant, like saturated colors. They're like these rainbow, they're not see-through, they're more opaque, but they're so beautiful. I think they're perfect for crafts. They're 4x6, and you could break them. They are like about 2 millimeters thick, so they are pretty thick. Like you're going to have, it's not fragile in the way that you can't like snap it, but once you cut them, like you're going to have like a nice, even thickness there. So here, I just want to show you some more colors. If you're into like stained glass mosaic projects, I would definitely pick these up. Again, I think the colors are just really beautiful and vibrant, and they come in this like rainbow assortment with almost this marble look to it. I want to show you like a blue, like that's so pretty. So you can see how, there's this like marbling through it, really pretty. So they're smooth to the surface, and they are sharp on the edges, so you'd have to be careful there, but easy to handle and you don't cut yourself or anything. Definitely pick these up. I love these.